All right, 8th graders, one more week to go in this marking period and for the semester. Make sure you're getting all caught up on your work and getting things turned in properly. Please let me know if you have any questions as we near this end. One great big push, guys. We can do this. Just a few more days and then you have a great long break. So today we're talking about box and whisker plots, or you might hear box plot. A box plot is a way to display data on a number line by organizing it into 4 sections using a 5-number summary. So it's important for you to know this 5-number summary. So it really helps you visualize the distribution of the data. So the values that we are going to use remember are this 5-number summary. So we have the minimum value. You guys are great at finding the minimum value, right? That's what we use to find the range. That's the lowest value. The lower quartile. This is the median of the lower half. So we're going to find lots of middles. The median, remember, is the middle value. Remember, that's where you put them in order from least to greatest and find the one in the middle. Then we have the upper quartile. This is the median or the middle of the upper half, and we have the maximum value, which is of course the greatest value. So those 5 points are the 5-number summary you will use for them. All right. So draw a box and whisker plot and identify each value. So here's what we're going to use. These data values. So these are the years of experience of 9 teachers. I just love data. Do you love data? All right, maybe not. Years of data: 18, 27, 5, 14, 10, 21, 12, 8, and 30. Well, since we know we are going to be finding the median, the minimum, the middle numbers, let's put these in order, shall we, of least to greatest. So our least would be that 5, then there's an 8, and a 10, and 12, and then there's that 14, 21, 27, make sure you're getting this all down, guys, and 30. Okay, so to find all of these values, we're going to find the min, the lower quartile, the median, the upper, the max, the range, and then there's one more that we'll find in just a minute, but I want to talk to you about that first. So the minimum is, of course, this 5. The max is, of course, that 30. Right? The range is, remember, the 30 minus the 5, which was 25. Now, the median, let's go to there. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, it's going to be the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice there's 4 on the left, 4 on the right, it's right in the middle. So 14 would be our median. Now we have to find the lower quartile, which is the median of these lower ones. So, what is the middle number between the median and the lowest? 2, 10. And the median between the middle and the highest? 21. That would be the upper quartile. See how easy that was? Now, the last thing I want you to know about is the IQR. This is the interquartile range. Sorry, I'm writing off of my page here. Interquartile range. This is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So that's what's in the box. So upper quartile was 21 minus the lower quartile is 10. So that was 11. So if we are plotting our stem and leaf plot, our box and, I'm sorry, not stem and leaf plot. Good grief. We've done a lot of organizing, haven't we, lately? So it is on a number line, our box and whisker plot. So our minimum is going to be 5, and it's got to go all the way up to a max of 30. So I'm going to go by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I didn't really need to go all the way up there. But maybe we'll call this 5 instead. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, and this would be 0, right? Okay, so our minimum is 5, so I'm going to draw a dot above the 5. Our max is 30, so I'm going to draw a dot above that. Now our median is 14. So I'm going to draw a line where 14 would be, right? Just in front of the... And my lower quartile was 10. So I'm going to draw another line there. And my upper quartile was 21. So just past the 20 there. And that is where our box is, that interquartile range. And there is our whiskers to the outside ranges. All right. So hopefully that helps you guys to understand and how you would find them. Now you might hear things like Q1, Q2, Q3. Remember that you are going to be finding the different quartiles. So you might hear this as Q1. You might hear this as Q2 and this as Q3. All right. Have a fabulous day.